This is around $3,600 to $4,000. We have the second car. This is 2026. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China, and we can help you ship from China to any part in the world. We can help you custom clearance. We can help you change the language. We can help you export documents. Anything you need, just contact. Today we have Chang'an Unique. This is one of the popular brands in China. This is the first car, and this is 2021, and the price is this 2021, and this is also within the same price. If you are buying 10 pieces, the price will be better. And the next one, we have this one as well. Okay, if you don't want blue color, we have so many cars. If you don't want blue, we have different colors in our warehouse. So many types of them. 2022, 2021, black color, white, any color you want, we can get that for you. All you need is to contact DAKS Import and Export Trading. We can help you source, ship to your country. We have our first car, which is 2022 model, and this 11, and it's very affordable. The price ranges from 7,000 to 8,000. The second car is this one. The first one was hybrid. This is gasoline fuel, and this is also 2022 model, and this is within $7,000 to $8,000. The quantity will determine the price. And the last one is this. This is 2022, and it's also within this same price. If you need any of them, contact us. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China. Contact us. We help you do import, ship, and do clearance. We have over 100 pieces of car right now in our warehouse. If you need any of them, contact us. So many cars. Just contact us, and we will help you ship from China to Ghana or to Africa. Just contact us. Hello, lovely people. I'm coming to introduce 3 cars in 1 minute. Today we have one brand. You can see Line Wine, and this is 2015 model, and it's very affordable. This is around $3,600 to $4,000. We have the second car. This is 2026, and it's also within the same range, $3,600 to $4,000. And we have the next one, which is also 2026. This is sold out. Somebody has bought already. We have so many of them in this warehouse. We have different colors. This is white. We have so many types. This is red color. You can own a car. This is 2025, and you can have so many types. This is red color. We have so many colors. This is white on this side. This the same brand. Come if you want different color, we have that. We have this color. It's also within the same range. This is 2025 models, and this car is very affordable, within 3,600. We have different colors as well. We have this is 2017. If you need this, just contact us. We have different colors. We have another color here, which is 2025, and this is very affordable. We have so many in this warehouse. You can see, so affordable, so many of them. So if you need any of them, just contact us. We can help you. This car from China. Hello, lovely people. So we have one amazing car here. This is J-Tor Shanghai T1, and this is almost like the Korea S hybrid, and this car is so amazing. Come and see for yourself. So imagine you being a boss having this car. This car is what I really love. Just look at the interior. You can see how cool the car looks like. Look at it. Looks cool, right? Come, let me show you something. I'll show you something special here. This is what I love so much. This is like the hybrid type. All you have to do is to click something like this and wait. And this is how the car looks like. Ooh. If you need this car, contact me. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China. We can ship from China to any country in the world. It's very affordable, and this is 2020 what? Just look at the year. This is 2024. This is 2024 model. Just within 2 years. Come, we have so many cars around as well. You can see here. So many of them. So many J-Top cars. Which of them do you like? Contact me. If you're a businessman, buy more and you will get affordable prices. Just contact us. We can help you ship from China to any part in the world. We can help you with custom clearance, changing the language and everything. Hello lovely people, we are at another side, J-Tor the Traveler. Come and let's explore this car. We have the white color and this is 2023 model. You have nice mileage. Come behind and let's see. This is how cool it looks like. Happy wife, happy life. So if you need this car, just contact us. We have the black color. This is the black J-Tor Traveler. This is black J-Tor the Traveler. Just look inside. Just look at how it looks like. It looks cool, right? Look at the sunscreen. Looks very cool. Just look at the steer here, the seat. Almost like a brand new car. If you want to start car business, contact us. We have so many of these cars. Let's show them. So many of them. Yeah, we have so many J-Tor cars. All you have to do is to contact us. The Traveler. We have 2024. We have so many different years. All you have to do is to contact us. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China, and we can help you ship from China to any part in the world. We can help you custom clearance. We can help you change the language. We can help you export documents. Anything you need, just contact us. Bye-bye. Lovely people, I'm coming to introduce several cars in 1 minute. Today we have this car here, and you can see this Ford. This is the car you need for the year 2026. This is nice, cool car, and you can see the interior. This is the car you need for any kind of work in your country. And we have amazing. Just look at behind the car. This is how cool and nice it is. So you can see here. Just look at this. You see that? If you need this car, just contact us. We can help you import from China to your country. You see how cool it looks like? Yes. Now come. You see this one? You see? Just look at the interior. This is the car you need. We can help you import from China to your country. Cool. We have the next one. You can see this one. This is 2022 model. 2022. If you need this, just contact us. The mileage is very good, and you can import this affordable from China to your country. We have so many pickups, so many cars here, so many. We have this one here as well. If you need that, just contact us. We have this color as well. So many. All you have to do is contact us. We are the largest wholesale market for used cars. Hello lovely people, we have Highlander here, and if you need this one, this is 2010 model. We have so many types. We have the black color as well. This is 2011. The price is very affordable. Just contact us. We will help you import from China. We have so many of them in the warehouse. Just contact us and we will help you ship this car from China to your country, Ghana, Nigeria, anywhere in the world. Contact us and we'll get you. Bye bye.